Last time on this old outboard.
I can't pull this damn thing today. Oh, hold on. God dang. Shouldn't be doing this. Start. Number 1 is flashing. Number 2 is flashing. We got sparks. What I did there, adjusted the points, swapped the condensers, fooled around, something made contact. It was kind of iffy at first on the spark. It was a little off, but then it was We'll do it again here. Let me dial this card back in where it needs to be. All right, let's go 1.5 out here. There's a half. Damn. There's 1.5. Start position. Sounds more like spark. Number 2, looks good. This thing's in gear. How does it keep popping into gear? Or is it my imagination? That's just the exhaust that's blowing out. I need clean water in here. That's from the last time. Choke is off. Pump's not leaking. Alright, let's try it again. See what happens if I pull this up. That shouldn't make a difference, but it might. getting smoked out. I'm trying to remember from that 28 horse that I have. And a couple other old outboards had the high speed. And you dial that in on the water, but it does make a difference of where that thing is sitting. And it's so hard to turn these things and not know, you know, without a knob, not know where in the hell you're at. Let's turn it back in a little bit. Turn this one back out a little bit. We're getting there. Come on, baby. It's, you know, the problem is this thing is sitting way up here. If it was down here, I could pull it easier. I'm just destroying my frickin' back again. It's got compression, I can tell you that. Alright, so let's come out here. There's a half. There's a hole. This should be tighter. It's just hard to turn these. This is probably a problem too. If it's too tight, you'll never turn this damn thing. I need a knob. The damn thing's, this one still has some teeth on it, but this one is just wore out. Alright, half, one, half. I think I'm out one here, right? Oh, God. Take 5. I had to choke it. Then dial my bottom high speed in to the highest RPM. Sound like that damn carburetor might be a little dirty. Hear that? Try it again. Don't tell me I gotta keep choking this thing. Hold on, I'm getting some air. Son of a glutton for punishment. Damn, man. what's going on now. That's why when I said it sounded like the car might have been clogging, that was the cylinder kicking in and out. Then all of a sudden, RPMs would pick up. It's just barely bopping along here. Oh, man. Alright, I took a beating on this thing today. Let me ponder on this a minute. I got it to spark again. Did it have anything to do with the key and the flywheel? Did it have anything to do with disconnecting the coil and moving it around? Maybe it made better contact where the wire was plugged in. Did it have anything to do with adjusting the points? Did it have anything to do with adjusting that coil? Because to me it was off a little bit, off the bosses. Or is the coil cutting in and out? You know, the only thing to do at this point, swap the coils now. See if it's that coil. If it's the bad coil, it's going to do that on number 1 and not number 2. Is it that plug wire? That's all you can do. Just process of elimination, start swapping stuff. It will run. Now I got spark, and it's intermittent. Yes, I've had enough. Ow! Man, when is this ever going to go away? I think the reason I had to start choking it was because firing on one plug. And I've said it 1,000 times. You can ohm out a coil, test it, and it's going to test fine. As soon as it warms up, it's going to start breaking down. Then you think you got a fuel issue because you just tested the coil and it ohmed out fine. I don't test coils anymore. Found out the hard way. And that's what they do. Sounds like fuel. You're over here killing the carburetor with adjustments when the coil is breaking down. Usually it happens when you're on the water. So it's 2 o'clock. I've had enough for today. Pick back up on it. I thought this thing was in gear. I think it was just the exhaust, both cylinders running at the same time. This thing was blah, 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 blah. It's a little sweetie. Just needs to be dialed in. Pull it apart, swap the coils, see what happens. Not a big deal. If it was a little earlier, I'd probably do it. Because I'm a glutton for punishment. We'll pick up on it again this weekend. Right now, I gotta go sit down.
Oh yeah, baby. You know the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.